Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious custard chocolate. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 large egg yolks, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, make sure you have a sturdy saucepan, a whisk, and a couple of heat-proof bowls ready for mixing. Using a high-quality cocoa powder will truly elevate the flavor of your final dessert. Now, let's create our rich custard base. In a medium bowl, whisk your 3 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of sugar until the mixture becomes light in color and creamy. Next, gently heat your 2 cups of milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it just begins to simmer around the edges, but do not let it boil. Slowly pour about 1/3 of the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Once tempered, pour the entire egg and milk mixture back into the saucepan. Now, it's time to add that wonderful chocolate flavor. Stir in your 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and a small pinch of salt. Continue to cook the custard over low heat, stirring constantly with your whisk. This process usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. The custard is ready when it's thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Finally, remove the custard from the heat and stir in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For an incredibly silky smooth texture, pour the hot custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl or individual serving dishes. This step removes any small cooked egg bits. Cover the surface of the custard directly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. Chill your delicious chocolate custard in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or until it's perfectly set and cold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.